How's it going, everybody? You're watching Dan About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to enable mono audio for your AirPods or any other earphones for that matter. So you may ask me, why would I want to enable mono audio? Because mono is the opposite of stereo, and stereo audio is much better. So here's the thing, imagine you're listening to your music, okay, doing your thing, normal, and then a friend comes by and then they want to listen to that song with you. So you want to share the song with them. So what do? You remove your earphone and then you give it to them. But since songs are stereo, the music it sends to one earplug is not necessarily the same as it sends to the other. So the audio data it sends, let's say, to the left earbud is not the same as it sends to the right earbud. So if you give it to your friend, they're gonna listen one thing and you're gonna listen another thing. You're not gonna listen, neither of you are gonna listen to the whole song. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable mono audio, which means that all the music that is sent to the left earbud is sent to the right earbud. So both of you are gonna listen to the same thing and to the whole thing. You're not gonna lose anything. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me show you how to easily activate it. First of all, let's go to settings, and then we're gonna go and scroll down to general, and then accessibility. And then we're gonna under hearing, so scroll down a little bit more. Under hearing, we're gonna see right here mono audio. So then all we have to do is hit on, so toggle it on. And as I mentioned, it works with your AirPods or actually any other earphones you have. It doesn't need to be AirPods. It can be wired earphones, and it doesn't need to be Apple earphones either. It can be any earphones whatsoever. So now you can share music with your friends without losing any audio data, meaning that the music sent to the left earbud is gonna be the same sent to the right earbud. So that's pretty much that. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. I really appreciate it. Also click on this bubble right here with my face and then click on the subscribe button to become my subscriber. And after, please click on this video because I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.